51 is the boundary.
Watch the scene first. The math is built into the world, so the quantities can be seen before they are named. Notice how the red fox navigates physical limits and open pathways. The animal action shows what changes, what stays fixed, and the relationship between them. These marks embedded in the environment map our mathematical goals for the journey. Roots, stones, and branch gates define these paths. The physical boundaries of the forest dictate how we record the mathematics. Let's look at our first constraint. A backpack can weigh at most 18 pounds. This establishes a physical maximum limit. At most 18 means the weight is 18 or less. We use W for the backpack weight. To document this, we write W less than or equal to 18. The mathematical notation acts as an exact record of the physical limit. The inequality is W less than or equal to 18. The less than or equal to symbol is used because a hard maximum includes the boundary number itself. 18 pounds is a valid weight. Further down the path, we reach a branch gate with a minimum height rule.
Less than or equal stays at or below the gate.
A rider must be taller than 54 inches to use the slide. Take a moment. Think about how you would write an inequality for taller than 54 inches if you use h for the rider's height. The phrase taller than 54 inches means heights greater than 54. An exact height of 54 inches does not clear the gate. Because of that exclusion, we write h greater than 54. The inequality is h greater than 54. We rely on the strict greater than symbol specifically when the physical constraint excludes the exact boundary value. This ticket price constraint is carved in stone, x less than 12. It introduces a solution set, a continuous range of valid answers. The price must be less than $12. The discount ticket can cost any amount less than $12. To describe it entirely in words, the solution set is all discount ticket prices below $12. The quantities on the trail match the action in the scene. The surroundings define the relationship, and the notation records it. Looking at the path ahead, ask yourself, which mark in the environment proves the mathematical relationship, and how does the animal's action make it true?
Every true value joins the solution set.